Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to make some more multiplayer video because I think I have some more interesting things. So we start on our road trip game on Monday, not today. Like I say in the finish voting video, maybe today, maybe on Monday. We will start Monday. What I have today for you. I will show you how you can interact with Steam data. I show it to you. Let us go into Unreal and let us make a new user interface blueprint widget. Let us call that Stats. Open it. We make a canvas panel. And in this canvas, we want to show two things. A text, our player name, and we want an image, our avatar. These two things I want to show you today to handle. Let us done it in a vertical box because this looks very nice. Let us anchor it here and bring him maybe around here. X 250. 250. Yeah, let us bring it here. This will our username, and this will be our avatar. We go here, event on initialize, get their stat, and get their name. This will be our username. You see, it's very simple. Here we make a format text and we say username double quote who will be this, and this goes here. So the next we want is to get unique net ID. And from here we want to get Steam friend avatar. Here we can say how large we want it. And we can say avatar set brush from texture. Is this a texture? Yeah. Bring it there and on success. This is all we had to do to get those things information. So now we open not the first version, this we open. So let us open the level blueprint here. On begin play, create widget. Layer controller. Our widget all stats and add to brief. Let us rename it because we not write VB and save, start, pause, and you'd see here the username is source, and that is incorrect. What we did wrong, a simple thing. If you get over this get player name, you will get your computer name because my computer calls choice. So that is not what we want. We want instead get Steam persona name. And now it should be the right name. First of all, we got here. Okay, it's not the right name. So if we not get over this, we had to get friend get instructions. Let us try this way. And friend display name. Comes here and here. Let us see how we get now the real name. We still get not the real name. So I want to show you in multiple ways so you can see how you can get there and what mistakes you could possibly do. So now, write in the comment, what do you think we make wrong? I will wait a short and then I will show you what we make wrong. Okay, nothing. Nothing in the blueprints. So let us go over the blueprints again. We get our blueprints. Here we go and get our nickname, bring him here, and we get our Steam Friends avatar and get it here. It's all absolutely right. The problem is, so you want to get your Steam information, you have to start in a specific way. I will show you. Normally we start from here or here, but we had to start from there as a standalone game. If we not do this, we have no connection to Steam. So if I start it now, you will see that the game starts like a real Unreal compilated game. We are in the menu and you see here now the Steam overlay is activated. And if we press now on Horse's game, we had to wait a short moment. You see my Steam username and my Steam profile avatar. It's just that easy. For this video, it was important for me to show you some fail ways, so something you can see. Okay, if I try to go this route or this route, it will not go fine. So you had to start as a standalone, and you had, I will show it to you again. and you had to get your nickname as player nickname and get Steam friend avatar. You could get many more from here. You can get the game played. You can the friend Steam level. You can get many things out here. And of course, you can store something into Steam. That I will show you in the next video, how you can maybe save progress of a player, coins of a player, level of a player in your specific game. But that is for the next video. So I hope it was interesting for you and you learned something. If you're not on our Discord, I would love to see you there. And now I get a comment, my Discord link was invalidate. It is simply expired. So I put a new Discord link, and sorry for that, guys. I hope no one has tried too much. So apologize for that. And if you're not subscribed me until now, maybe you want to do it now. Bye, guys.